Welcome. You're watching Gatividhi Vips. I am Khushpreet Kaur and I bring to you all the events held at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, Technical Campus, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University in the month of April 2025. Vivekananda School of English Studies organized a group photograph for the graduating batch of 2025 on 3rd April. The Sports Society of Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized El Fresco 2025 on 4th and 5th April. The annual sports meet consisted of over 13 sports, including volleyball, basketball, kho-kho, table tennis, carom, pool, chess and more. Career Development Center of Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized Swadhyay, the Learning Horizon, on 4th April. This leadership and HR conclave invited over 20 eminent industry experts to deliver insights about leadership and hiring in the digital age. On 7th April, Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a peer-to-peer session for the Central Production Team on usage of the gimbal by Kanav Bansal, Student Coordinator. On 9th April, Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized a guest lecture by Dr. Punita Duhan, Campus Director, Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University, on design thinking and entrepreneurship.
Design thinking tells you empathy. It teaches you empathy. It teaches you innovation. It teaches you strategic problem solving, critical problem solving, and thereby it makes you a better professional. Entrepreneurship survives on what? Empathy. It survives on creativity and it survives on feedback. और ये तीनों कौन करता है? Design thinking helps you in all three of them.
Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a workshop on skills and challenges of translation on 9th April.
अनुवाद एक महत्वपूर्ण स्वतंत्र अनुशासन यानी एक इंडिपेंडेंट डिसिप्लिन के रूप में ट्रांसलेशन को अब देखा जा रहा है। आप लोग मीडिया से जुड़े हुए बच्चे हैं। मीडिया का और ट्रांसलेशन का एक ऐसा रिश्ता है जिसको अलग करके नहीं देख सकते। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की बैकबोन अगर कोई है तो वो ट्रांसलेशन है, क्योंकि अनुवाद का संबंध दो भाषाओं से होता है, सोर्स लैंग्वेज और टारगेट लैंग्वेज।
The Center for Skill Development Moot Court Committee of Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized Lex Judicium 2025 on 11th and 12th April. The chief guest for the event was Honorable Mr. Justice Saurabh Banerjee, Judge, High Court of Delhi, and the guest of honor was Honorable Mr. Justice P.S. Teji, former Judge, High Court of Delhi. Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, Technical Campus celebrated Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti on 14th April, alongside the inauguration of the AI Data Center and Quantum Lab. Professor Anil Sahasrabuddhe, Chairman at NETF, NAC and NBA was welcomed at the event as the chief guest.
यह इस कॉलेज के नाम में ही विवेकानंद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज़। तो विवेकानंद जी का विज़न था कि हर आदमी जब जन्म लेके आता है तो उसमें कोई ना कोई अच्छाई छुपी हुई है, उसको बाहर निकालना। देयर इज़ ऑलरेडी परफेक्शन इन एवरी इंडिविजुअल मैन एंड दैट इज़ द रोल दैट स्वामी विवेकानंद हैड एडवोकेटेड।
The Television and Radio Society, along with the Central Production Team of VSJMC, organized a workshop on the world of travel content. Mr. Akarsh Gupta, Executive Producer at NAS Delhi, was invited to conduct the session on 15th April. Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized an international conference on shaping the future medias, experiments and innovations on 16th and 17th April. The key speakers for day one were Ms. Mahua Venkatesh, Consulting Editor at this Secretariat, Mr. Rana Yashwant, Veteran Television Journalist, and Professor Dr. Shikha Rai, Director, School of Journalism and New Media Studies, IGNOU.
पहला काम ये कि अगर आप मास कम्युनिकेशन जर्नलिज्म के स्टूडेंट हैं और कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो अपने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स को आप ऑन रखिए। अगर नहीं है तो फिर जर्नलिज्म क्यों है, मास मीडिया क्यों है? हम मैदान में सिपाही के तौर पर उतरते हैं और पता चलता है हथियार चलाने नहीं आता है तो फिर आप मारे जाओगे। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
So we're witnessing one of the most radical times in the field of communication and media. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, said Charles Dickens, and it resonates perfectly well with the present state of global media. Globally, the media and entertainment sector has crossed the digital first era. In fact, the pace of change, the rapid pace of change is perhaps what is hitting us even more. What will be the future of journalism? Will journalism have any relevance in the age of internet, social media? Will AI kill journalism? Now, these are issues indeed that have created doubt and confusion in the minds of media persons, and these are often discussed passionately in the newsrooms.
The key speakers for Day 2 were Professor Dr. Shuchi Yadav, Chairperson, CMS JNU, and Dr. Harsha Bhargavi, Assistant Director, Telangana State Government.
One needs to understand the whole crisis of mass communication, I think, stems from the very fact that it was dissociated from the social sciences.
I'm working on an interesting field, that is the creative economy. It's also called as orange economy. So orange, when we squeeze it, then only we'll get juice. So India is such that how much ever we squeeze, we'll get lot of juice. So the world is looking for that juice. And how orange tastes, it's similarly our content and repositories are there.
In today's valedictory session, we have esteemed speakers, Professor Shuchi Yadav and Dr. Harsha. And I think no better conclusion of the discourse could have been better than this. Professor Shuchi Yadav explained or put light on the philosophy and the theory aspect, and so beautifully the practical aspect has been given by Dr. Harsha. She is doing a lot of work at the ground level.
National Service Scheme WIPS-TC organized a healthcare camp in collaboration with Max Hospital, Clove Dental and Center for Sight on 22nd April. The camp included free medical services alongside health awareness seminars. On 22nd April, the Finance and Security Cell of Vivekananda School of Business Studies organized Financial Model United Nations 2025. The forum provided university and high school students with a platform to discuss global economic concerns. Vigyapan, the Advertising Society of VSJMC, organized at Foria on 23rd April. The event included a lineup of panel discussion on navigating AI, Gen Z and the future of advertising, a masterclass on sound design and competitions including print ad making, jingle making and ad reel making. Special invitees for the event were Mr. Punit Modgil, entrepreneur, publisher at Jan Sabha, CRO and co-founder of Octane Research, Mr. Ankit Vora, National Planning Director, McCann World Group, Ms. Sumetha Sachdeva, Head of Brand, Integrated and Social Media Marketing, Max Healthcare, the VSJMC alumnus, Mr. Pallav Moitra, Director, PM Consulting, and Mr. Saurabh Kumar, Music Producer, Audio Engineer, and Educator.
New creative forms will emerge, and you cannot be an unsuspecting consumer. So your role would also have to change. So there are some challenging times ahead, but so far AI has been a useful tool serving the humanity. And I believe for next 3 to 5 years, we are in a good zone while we train our engines, our algorithms. But beyond 5 years, we'll let the computers control computers, let control computers. Prof will be in a danger zone. creativity is not going anywhere.
Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication held a masterclass on quantitative tools for data collection. The workshop was conducted by Mr. Sachin Gupta, Dean, Research and Publication for the MAMC students on 24th April. The 8th edition of the annual academic festival of Vivekananda School of Economics, Sankaran, was held on 24th and 25th April. On 25th April, Tasveer, the Photography Society of Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication, organized Ethnic Day and a photography exhibition on Panch Tattva. On 25th April, Center for Intellectual Property Rights of Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized a practical skill enhancing workshop on World IP Day. The guest speakers were Ms. Meghna Mishra, Dr. Raghini P. Khulbalkar, Dr. Ashwini Siva and Dr. Vinita Soyal. On 25th April, Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a group photograph for the graduating batch of 2025. Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, Technical Campus organized Hack VSIT 6.0 on 25th and 26th April. The hackathon included AECC Global Workshop, mentor discussions, followed by final presentations by the participating teams. The jury consisted of prominent industry leaders like Mr. Piyush Tyagi, Ms. Shrishti Gupta, Mr. Yash Chaturat, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Bansal, Mr. Pavan Singla, Mr. Kuldeep Singh and Mr. Kartik Atri. Vivekananda School of Information Technology organized Sangach Dhvam Utsav, Alumni Meet 2025 on 26th April. Vivekananda School of Information Technology organized the certificate distribution ceremony for the Soft Skills Presentation Competition, Byte Talks, where soft skills and tech minds merge on 28th April. Professor Amita Dev, Director General of VSET and VSIT, awarded the certificates. Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a hands-on workshop in collaboration with Sony India on 28th April. The Magic of Light knitted with Sony cameras. It was conducted by Mr. Sameer Ashraf, Sony Alpha Specialist. 35mm, the Filmmaking Society of VSBS, organized its annual film festival, RAISE, on 28th April. The 50-hour filmmaking competition was judged by a panel consisting of Dr. Tehzeeb Fatima, Assistant Professor, VSJMC, Mr. Ghulam Hussain, Assistant Professor, VSJMC, Mr. Kashif Ijaz, Assistant Film Programmer, NFDC. On 29th April, Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized an online awareness program on POSH Act 2013. The guest speakers for the event were Ms. Meera Kaur Patel, Advocate, Supreme Court of India, and Professor Dr. Ruhi Paul, Registrar, NLU, Delhi. Palimpsest, the annual literature festival of Vivekananda School of English Studies, was organized on 29th April. The events lined up were Dastak-e-Khazana, Cosplay, The Battleground, The Moonlit Metaphors, Click and Run, The Canvas Chronicles, and a theatrical performance based on A Midsummer Night's Dream. With these, we end the events of the month. Thank you for being with us and watching the activities, the Gatividhis of April 2025 at WIBS TC. We will be back again next month with new updates.